second day na namin dito sa Emon Pulo and grabe, sobrang ganda dito. So definitely I'll make a vlog tungkol dun sa amenities na tong place na to. But for now, let's have turon for merienda while I share with you guys na sobrang ganda dito. As in, kasi when you say Zambales, for me parang ang napupuntahan ko pa lang is Anawangin, San Antonio, Capones, it's near Subic, ganon. Basta yun pa lang yung Zambales that I know. Pero this place, it's in Pundakit. And the only way to go here is to ride a boat from either from Subic or from somewhere in Zambales. Basta may port. Tapos magbabangka ka going here. Kasi medyo naka-separate itong island na to. So it's a group of islands. Ang dami niyan sa likod. And then if you want to go island hopping, you can rent boat here. Ang daming pwedeng gawin dito. As in here in Emon Pulo, parang kompleto yata sila ng water sports. Syempre may kayak, may jet ski, may flying fish, may banana boat. Lahat ng gusto mo. And the beach, it's not bad. It's just not white sand as you want. Pero ganda naman siya. Swimmable and malinis naman yung tubig. By the way, we ordered turon for merienda. So dito sa lugar na to, medyo isolated siya. Walang mga tindahan and the place is very private. As in, para ka nasa ibang bansa, ganon. Pero, well, Philippines is good as it is. Napakaganda dito sa Pilipinas. What I like the most about this place is yung view from the back. So, I don't know if you can see it. But, yung resort kasi, sa baba siya ng mountain. And yung mountain dito, sobrang green niya. Ayan, I don't know if you can see it. Diba? Sobrang ganda. So, parang kang nasa New Zealand. You don't have to fly na to go to New Zealand. Meron na dito sa Pundakit. And I'm here with my cousins and my sister. So, nandun sila. Kumakain din ng turon. I just want to update you guys. Update. So, ayun na nga. So, dahil nga medyo isolated tong lugar na to, I suggest before you go here, bring snacks or, alam mo yun, dala kayo ng drinks. I'm not sure sa Corkage if they have, but meron silang restaurant dito where you can order food and drinks, and may mga chips din silang binibenta dito. So, it's nice. Another nice thing about this place is ang daming aso. So, if you're a dog person, this place is the place for you. Kasi yung owner, ayan at the back, may naghahabol. Hinahabol ng aso. Pero hindi guys, mababait yung mga aso dito. Yung owner kasi nitong place na to, nitong Emon Pulo, is a dog lover also. So marami siyang mga dogs dito na sobrang babait. As in, you can pet them and ingat lang kayo dun sa chinelas nyo kasi sometimes they get the slippers and kinakagat nila. But anyway, we're waiting for the sunset para makapag jet ski. So, syempre, I will make a vlog about this place. Kasi nga, marami kayong magagawa dito. And if you want to visit, then syempre si Emon Pulo, it's on Facebook, on Instagram. You just message them to book. So, yun muna for now, guys. Magsiswimming muna kami. And thank you for watching!